to Speak Bright English. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily, where learning English is more easy and fun.
Today, we'll guide you through 10 powerful secrets to speak English fluently, naturally, and confidently. And the best part is, you'll be able to practice with us in real time.
So grab a notebook, a pen, and let's start learning together. By the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident speaking English. Mini exercise. Say hello in English 3 different ways. Hi. Hello. Hey, how are you? Repeat after Paul and Emily. Secret number 1 is to think in English, not translate from your language.
For example, instead of thinking, I want to eat in your language, immediately think in English, I want to eat.
Let's practice some thoughts together. Repeat after us slowly first, then faster. Practice sentences. I am happy. I want to drink water. The sun is shining. I like music. Let's go outside.
Try thinking in English while walking, cooking, or even brushing your teeth. Small daily practice makes a huge difference. Extra tip: don't worry if you make mistakes while thinking. Mistakes are part of learning.
Secret 2 is learning common English phrases that natives use daily. Here are 10 everyday phrases. How's it going? What's up? I'm good, thanks. That sounds great. No worries. See you later. Take care. Absolutely. I can't wait. Good job.
Let's repeat them together slowly first, then fast. Ready? Mini dialogue. Hey, Emily, how's it going?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
That sounds great. Absolutely. Create your own mini dialogue using 3 phrases you just learned. Speak aloud. Extra tip: use these phrases with friends or even yourself in the mirror. Repetition makes it natural. Secret 3 is pronunciation. English has tricky sounds like th, r, l, v.
Let's practice some words together. Thought, taught. Right, light. Very, berry. Next, a tongue twister. Repeat slowly first, then faster. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Another one: Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Record yourself saying these tongue twisters. Compare with native speakers online. Notice improvement every day. Extra tip: focus on mouth movement. Your tongue and lips need to form the right sounds. Watch videos of natives to copy them.
Secret 4 is learning phrasal verbs, which make your English sound natural and fluent. Here are 5 very common ones with examples. Look after. I look after my little brother. Run into. I ran into my friend yesterday. Give up. Never give up on learning English. Turn on off. Please turn off the lights. Pick up. I will pick up the package.
Emily, can you look after my cat today?
Of course. But did you pick up the food from the shop? Make 1 sentence for each phrasal verb and say it aloud. Extra tip: phrasal verbs are everywhere in conversations, movies, and songs. Try to listen for them actively.
Secret 5 is learning through stories. Stories help you remember new words easily.
Here's a short story with some new words. Yesterday, I discovered a hidden cafe in the city. The atmosphere was cozy and the coffee was delicious. I even made a new friend there.
New words: hidden, atmosphere, delicious, friend. Let's make sentences with these words together. Mini exercise. Sentence 1. I found a hidden park near my house. Sentence 2. The atmosphere in the library is peaceful. Sentence 3. This pizza is delicious. Sentence 4. I met a new friend at school. Extra tip: try writing your own short story using at least 5 new words. Reading and speaking stories improves memory and fluency.
Secret 6 is speaking confidently. Speak clearly, loud enough, and don't worry about mistakes.
Exercise. Stand in front of a mirror and introduce yourself in English. Hi, my name is Paul. I am learning English. I like music and reading books.
Secret 7 is using English daily. Describe what you see, cook, or do in English. Even 5 minutes counts. Mini practice. Describe your room in English. There is a bed. The bed is blue. The table is next to the bed. Describe your breakfast. I ate bread and eggs. I drank water. It was delicious. Extra tip. Speak as much as you can, even if no one is listening. Daily practice builds fluency quickly.
Secret 8 is listening actively. Watch English shows or YouTube videos. Pause, repeat, and mimic.
Secret 9. Don't fear mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Native speakers do too.
Secret 10. Practice every day. Even 5 minutes a day is better than 1 hour once a week. Final exercise. Pick 5 new words or phrases from today's video. Make 3 sentences with each. Say them aloud confidently.
Keep practicing every day, and your English will improve fast.
If you like this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak Bright English for more fun and easy tips.